we've all seen chemistry experiments in school. But today, we're taking it to a whole new level. Prepare to be amazed by this vibrant display of hues and dramatic effects. Watch as we take a scientist in a lab coat, conducting an experiment and looking amazed or excited as the reactions take place. See the split-screen image with before and after visuals of the chemical reaction, showcasing the transformation. The explosion or burst of colorful gases or liquids, capturing the moment of the reaction. We even compare the experiment with a popular pop culture reference, such as a movie scene or meme, to add humor or intrigue. And a visually appealing image of the chemicals or substances used in the experiment, arranged in an artistic or captivating way. See a thumbnail featuring a side-by-side comparison of multiple reactions or stages of the experiment, highlighting the progression or changes that occur. And a dynamic visual with arrows or annotations indicating the key elements or steps of the experiment, adding a sense of curiosity and anticipation. Now, an image that showcases the unique setup or equipment used in the experiment, adding a sense of intrigue or novelty. Finally, a thumbnail that conveys the wow factor of the experiment, such as a surprised or amazed facial expression, or text overlay with bold, attention-grabbing fonts.